Good day, I am Hazelle Roberts, a retired hospitality and home economist. Today, I am teaming up with the Zero Hunger Trust to prepare a simple Vincy breakfast using local foods. These foods can be found either in the market, your backyard, or in the local supermarket. Today, we are going to do a proper watermelon 5-finger fruit cup, very small. And the reason why I chose these fruits, for texture, we have a little crunch, and the smoothness and color. Included in this salad, we are going to have the new elderberry. It is very high in antioxidant, and it is being used in the salad to add color and flavor. Very crunchy and tasty. I'll use a few slices of the 5-finger. Let's get rid of the corners. Very sweet and juicy, full of water, vitamins, and other trace minerals. I'll remove the seeds. Remember, fruits are sweet, so you need to avoid consuming too much, especially if you are a diabetic or have any other health issues. I'll remove the skin of the pulp, and we just need a few slices, so I'm not going to peel the entire thing. Neither am I going to get down to the seeds. Now this is watermelon. I'm going to use a melon baller to give us some shape. Added shape, just add it to that. Watermelon is a very nutritious fruit that can be found locally. Rich in vitamins. So I'll put our fruit salad to chill. The carbohydrates part of our meal today is the Madungo dumpling. You can choose to make it from scratch, or it can be bought in the supermarket. You can bake or fry. Today, we are going to fry our Madungo dumpling. In a frying pan, I will put on the flame with 1/2 cup of coconut oil, which is made locally also, and I'll put it to heat. While our oil is heating, I'll get my plate with a tissue. This tissue will put the finished product on it, and it will help to absorb the excess oil. These Madungo dumpling, you can reshape. They are relatively thin, so about 3 minutes on each side, and we will have a nice golden brown Madungo. Today we would be using our fried Madungo with a vegetable omelette. However, this Madungo can be very tasty if we use scrambled eggs, cornfish, or any other local product that you deem necessary when you're having breakfast. Now our oil is heated, so we are going to place our Madungo into the hot oil for at least 3 minutes on each side. So while we await our Madungo to be completed, we will start gathering our ingredients for our omelette, a vegetable omelette. You can choose whichever ingredient you want to put into your vegetable omelette. Today, I am using tomatoes, sweet pepper, a little parsley, and some cheddar cheese. So I'm going to check on our madungo now because remember we only want it golden brown, not burnt. Yes, we can turn this one. Nice, very good. Great. 3 more minutes and our fried madungo dumpling would be completed. While we wait on our madungo, we are going to prepare a vegetable omelette. You can choose any vegetable that you would like, but today I am using tomatoes, chive, sweet pepper, and a bit of cheddar cheese. Let's check on our madungo now. Very good, nice color. To prepare our vegetable omelette, I am going to crack 1 egg. I'll beat my egg, ensuring that the white and yellow of the egg are all mixed in. I'll set it aside while I chop my vegetables. I'm going to use local chive that was grown in my backyard. This is easily grown, so you choose which vegetable you want to do. On a clean cutting board, I chop my chive very finely. Just about 1 tablespoon in total. Sweet pepper. I want the crunch, so I do not want my vegetables to be cut too small. A little tomato, very rich in vitamins and water. I want texture, so I'm not going to cut them too small. And a bit of freshly grown celery for garnishing. Just the celery leaves, 2 celery leaves. So I'm now going to measure 1 tablespoon of cheese. I do not want too much cheese, but you can determine how much cheese that you want. Remember, cheese is very salty, so bear that in mind. I'll now use my non-stick fryer. Place it on medium heat with 1 teaspoon of oil. Give my egg a little swish. Making sure that the edges are brown before I add the vegetables. When you are preparing an omelette, the foods that are placed in the omelette should be pre-cooked because it is a very quick process. So make sure all that you are putting is cooked or ready to eat. I place my vegetables nicely and my egg. I see I can begin folding my omelette because the edges of the egg have start getting brown. If I try folding it before that happens, it will break easily. Nice, so we have a nice golden brown. I can flip it over, remove it from the heat. Okay, I'll place my omelette directly on the breakfast plate. Finally, we are going to make some local mint tea. There are lots of herbs that we use to make tea. I am choosing the cat's mint, but you can choose whatever local mint you want to use. So in my small teapot, I'll put my freshly picked and washed mint leaves. I have boiled some water. I'll put it to steep for 5 minutes in that boiling water. You can add sugar if you so desire. Otherwise, it is a lovely drink, refreshing drink. Now that we have finished making our breakfast, we are going to plate our Madungo, 3 Madungo bake, and our chilled fruit salad. We also have our mint tea. Nice and green. Local cat mint tea. Here we have our local Vincy breakfast made with all local ingredients. Enjoy.